Today we're going to change out to some Lasfit high output fog lights on this BRZ. BRZ, obviously you take these out, the little clips here, move this out of the way, you disconnect this, push the pin down, the clip here to remove it, and then right here is the top and the bottom. Pinch those together. You pinch them together like this, and it makes it easy to remove. Might have to wiggle it a little bit. And you can see this light is kind of a weird light. It's unusual. In order to get a light, the Lasfit light to work, you need to do a little trimming, little modifications. You see right here, we have. Well, we'll compare it. See this side has this tab here, this one has a tab here, so we need to trim that off. This side has two tabs just like this, but as you can see the tabs are in different locations. So we need to trim this tab off here. And the connector, I marked all these with black and yellow so you can see it. The connector, you need to trim this off right here. And that's all the modifications you have to do to install this. Alright, so we're going to trim this one up here. Okay, that one's ready to go. And this one right here, it's pretty bright. I'm going to trim with this. Okay, that one's done. And I'm going to trim the other side. Okay, now we're done. I recommend putting a little bit of silicone or something, spray or whatever you want on here to aid in installation. Okay, I forgot about this. You need to plug these two guys in. It only plugs in one way. Make sure the pins are good. Line it up, press it in. Okay, we're good to go. Those pins are good. Yep. All right. Pause. Okay. We're gonna find the correct way to install this guy. Oh, it's kind of dark. Can you grab the light real quick? Okay. Well, now it's working. What do you know? Okay. So we're gonna find that it installs one way. And we're going to pinch these down and wiggle it a little bit until it's snug. Now it's good. Okay. And then we're going to zip tie this up here and plug in the connector, and we're good to go. So this is how I have it connected. It's got a couple zip ties holding it in on here. This gets a little warm, so you don't want to install it, say, on this plastic here, because this is kind of sensitive to heat. So that's what it looks like, ready to go. Okay. All right, let's check this out. This is the original light, original fog light, and this is the Lasfit fog light in the white mode. Okay, let's switch it. Go ahead. Wow, that's cool. It switches to yellow. It's a really nice, solid yellow beam. Good for fog, really dense fog, rain, any difficult or bad weather. Okay, go back to the white. And that's the white. It's not a blue, very, very slight tint blue, but it's really it's a pure white color. and this is the original. Very weak. This is the switchback. You turn it on and off to switch the color. That's all you have to do. Turn it on and off. And the bulb number is, it's the LD 5202. Available on lasfit.com, or you can also get the 5202. They have other lights as well. The ones, my favorite ones, are the LA series and the LD series, which is the switchback. So those are the minor modifications you need to do. If you have any questions, ask on the comments, and if you want to get a good price on something, ask away in the comments as well. I can ship them out as well. All right, thank you very much, and thank you, Hans.